types of homes and dwellings of the Tequesta tribe. The Tequesta tribe lived in huts woven with grass and raised with sticks and logs. They also lived in houses with wooden posts, raised floors, and roofs thatched with palmetto leaves. Their houses may have had temporary walls of plaited palmetto leaf mats to break the walls or block the sun. The only evidence of the Tequesta homes come from a man who lived a long time ago. His name was Britton Hammond. As he lived with the tribe, he wrote about his experiences with the tribe. This is the picture I drew of a regular house they had. They lived next to the sea.
Marilu.
Wait. The resources I used were Wikipedia and Bored.